So ayan guys, isa ka ba sa mga naghahanap ng mini amplifier? Yung may pagka-modern at classic o retro style. So baka mako-consider mo itong XY D50H after mo mapanood itong full review at vlog ko. Okay guys, sa package content, ito yung kanya kasama. DC adapter. Siyempre yung ating unit amplifier. Tapos yung kanyang screwdriver na Philip. So unang-una guys, yung amplifier na ito ay assemble na. At ang model nito is yung XY D50H. So bakit ko nasabing may pagka-modern at retro? Kasi ito po ay may BU meter. Sa build quality ay okay naman po siya. So parang ding mga woozy audio. So kaibahan lang dito ay naka-built-in na talaga siya. Tapos napansin ko dito yung sa kanyang multifunctional knob ay naka-fix. So sa audio input ay meron tayong Bluetooth 5.1, aux-in, USB audio. Tapos yung kanyang power supply is 5 volt hanggang 24 volt. Tapos yung kagandahan dito guys ay meron siyang audio input. So pwede nyo to gamitin sa mga satellite speaker nyo. Tapos pwede nyo dito isaksak yung inyong subwoofer na active. Tapos right and left speaker input. So hindi siya screw type. Tapos ito yung kanyang BU meter na sinasabi ko kanina. Kaya medyo para sa akin ay retro ang kanyang dating. So meron itong IC na TPA 3116D2. So nasa 50 watts po ito times 2. So per channel yon. So ito naman ang kanyang master volume. So ginagamit din ito sa music para pang play at pause. So yun nga lang ang downside dito guys, sa tingin ko wala siyang treble and bass adjustment. So kung ano lang talaga yung maging audio output niya is yun na lang. So kung mag-a-adjust kayo, pwede naman sa equalizer sa cellphone or sa mga laptop or sa any audio input nyo. So yun lang na napansin ko sa kanyang downside. So ngayon, isang check na natin siya. Bale na i-setup ko na itong ating mini amplifier na XY D50H. So yung speaker na gagamitin ko sa kanya is yung Kenwood na full range. So medyo mababa lang po yung watts nito, nasa 10 watts lang po at 6 ohms. Pero itong amplifier natin ay pwede po siya mag-drive ng 8 ohms hanggang 2 ohms. Tapos sa power supply naman po ay gumamit ako ng SMPS na 24 volts 5 ampere. So bali sa audio input guys ay gagamit muna ako ng aux-in para maisaksak sa akin laptop. Wala kasing Bluetooth yung laptop na ginagamit ko. So pero nagamit ko na to sa Bluetooth at medyo nabibitin ako sa power niya. Pero pag sa mga audio input ko siya sinasaksak ay malakas po siya. Buhay na yung ating amplifier at meron siya ditong LED indicator na kulay blue. So isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito ay pag nilalaksan nyo na yung volume at tinihinaan ay meron siyang LED indicator na ilaw. So ayan po. Blue, green at yung red. Yung red, yun na po yung kanyang max. At kung ayaw nyo naman po na may BU meter ay pwede naman po natin itong patayin dito po sa gilid. Meron po siyang maliit na pindutan dito at pwede rin natin siyang pahinaan yung liwanag niya. Okay, ngayon guys, magpe-play na ako ng mga sample songs. Bali sa YouTube Studio lang ako kukuha ng mga music.
I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks, box if you think you're fucking better. See, I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. That's right, I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. That's me. Fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way, so you can go. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? And these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell can make me happy, and I don't think you. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just get buying everything. See you in the next life, to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool and I'm living that better days. I can walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young one, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and it's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to.
So ayun guys, ang sound check natin dito sa amplifier na XY D50H. So para sa akin ay okay naman siya, malakas din. Pero dahil mahina yung ating speaker, nasa 10 watts lang, ay nailabas niya talaga yung tunay na lakas niya. Pero kung loloadan niyo siya na mga up to 50 watts, ay tingin ko kayang-kaya niya naman. Isa din sa napansin ko guys ay yung kanyang BU light meter ay hindi ganun ka-accurate pag naka-auxiliary input tayo. Pero kung naka-Bluetooth naman ay wala naman akong na-experience na parang issue sa kanya dito. So by the way, ihabol ko na din. Meron nga pala siyang apps na pwede nyo i-download para ma-customize niya yung kanyang equalizer. So ako hindi ko na masyado kinalikot yung apps na yon. So pwede nyo siyang hanapin at i-scan yung QR code para ma-download nyo yung apps nito. At sa magtatanong naman po ng price nito, ito po ay nasa 500 plus. Pero nakuha ko lang po siya ng 400 something. So wag po kayong malilito dahil may dalawa po itong version. Meron din po kasi itong D15H. Ibig sabihin po noon ay yung 15 watts. So ito pong kinuha ko ay D50H. So 50 watts po ito.